Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Train Brain. Today we will be discussing about 7 important problem sums on trigonometric identities. These are very important sums for board examination. Well, it's my request to all my students, please go through the video till the end so that you can learn it properly. Before I start the lesson, it's my advice to every viewers, please subscribe my channel and share it so that my video can reach to all needy students. So without wasting any time, let's start. Well, the first sum on identity is you have to prove tan cube theta plus 1 by tan theta plus 1 is equals to sec square theta minus tan theta. Before I start solving, first I will write the left hand side. Now see what we are saying here. It is tan cube theta plus 1. If I write 1 as 1 cube, so that I can apply the formula a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So what is a here? Tan theta, and what is b here? 1. So I apply the formula a plus b a square minus a into b plus b square by tan theta plus 1. Now this one, just split the bracket, you get now you can see that tan theta plus 1, this one gets cancelled out. So you are left with only this part. So we copy it. First I will add 1 plus tan square theta, then minus tan theta. Now 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. See, we have already got sec square theta minus tan theta, which we needed to prove. Next sum is you have to prove 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is equals to sec theta minus tan theta whole square. Now see one thing, here we will start from right hand side, not from left hand side. Why? Because it is easier to convert complex part into simpler one. Now we can see here, this is in the very simple form, sin theta, sin and cos, it is a very simple form. But the complex form is tan theta, sec theta, cosec square theta. So we can find here that this is the more complex form. It is easier. It is my advice. You always start doing the sum from that side, which is more complex. So I am taking here right hand side. Now see here, sec theta we can write 1 by cos theta, and tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta. Now you keep the bracket as it is. Now you take the LCM. It is getting it square cos square here. Now you see the left hand side. What is there? 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta already we have got, but here is square. So we have to remove this square. How it can be done? See here it is cos square theta, but what is written here? 1 plus sin theta. So I have to adjust this one. Now cos square theta means what? Cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta, or 1 square minus sin square theta. I can write it here. Now see, it is in the form a squared minus b squared. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. As in the numerator part, I can write it 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. See, one part is getting cancelled, 1 minus sin theta, we are left with 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. See, this was the left hand side. So LHS equals to RHS. That is proved. Well, this is sum number 3. Here you have to prove cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We will start from the left hand side, because just now I told that it is easy to convert complex into simple form. See here, cosec theta, cot theta. If I want to break it into simple form, cosec theta means 1 by sin theta, reciprocal of cosec theta, and cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Whole square. If you take the LCM, sin theta and sin theta, LCM will be sin theta. Here you get 1 minus cos theta whole square, and here is also square. Now what do you find? We have already got 1 minus cos theta, which is in the right hand side, but this part I have not got. So I need to convert sin square theta into this form. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, or 1 square minus cos square theta. I can write it here in place of sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, and this one 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now see, this is in the form a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? You know, a plus b into a minus b. So here I will write a plus b into a minus b, and this one you can write in this form, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This 1 minus cos theta gets cancelled out. You are left with 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, and we have got the desired result. So see, we are able to prove LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. Here we have to prove cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A equals to 2 sec A. Now see, this part is very simple one, but this is left hand side is a complex one, so I have taken left hand side as cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Now what we have to do? First we will take the LCM of these two. What we will be getting? One plus sin A into cos A. Now if we divide this one with this, we are left with cos A, and cos A into cos A is cos squared A. Similarly, if you divide this one with this, you are left with 1 plus sin A, and 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A whole square. Now see here, don't disturb the denominator part, leave it as it is. Now see here, a plus b whole square. The formula we will be applying here, a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here this is a and this is b. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now here cos square a plus sin square a, what we get in the identity formula number 1. You write it together, cos square a plus sin square a plus 1 plus 2 sin a, denominator as it is. Now see here, cos square a plus sin square a is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 sin a by cos a into 1 plus sin a. Here if you take here 2 common, you get 1 plus sin a, and here cos a into 1 plus sin a as it is. See here 1 plus sin a gets cancelled out, you are left with 2 by cos a. Now 2 by cos a means what? 2 into 1 by cos a, and 1 by cos a is what? Sec a. You can write it 2 sec a. See, this is the RHS equals to RHS. Well, this sum is very important for the board examination purpose. What we have to do here, we have to prove tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 is equals to cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. First we will copy the left hand side. Now see what we find, that here is 1 and it involves sec theta and tan theta. Now in the identity we knew that sec square theta minus tan square theta was 1. So in place of 1 we can write in place of 1 sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now this one is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. So we will write it a plus b into a minus b. Denominator will write as it is. Now see here we get common sec theta plus tan theta. There are two pairs and out of two pairs we get sec theta plus tan theta common. So we will be taking the common. So we get sec theta plus tan theta common. Ultimately we are left here 1 minus and here sec theta minus tan theta. Denominator will write as it is. Now see here what we are getting. We are getting here sec theta plus tan theta, and here 1 minus sec theta, 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. And in denominator it is also there. See, 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. 1 minus so now this two part gets cancelled out. We are left with sec theta plus tan theta. Now sec theta means what? 1 by cos theta, and tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. If you take the LCM, cos theta, we get 1 plus sin theta. But it is not there in the RHS. What is there in the RHS? We find that there is 1 minus sin theta in the denominator. So what we will do? We will rationalize the numerator, or simply we can multiply 1 minus sin theta, the both numerator and denominator. Here I am multiplying 1 minus sin theta here also, and 1 minus sin theta in the numerator also. So here we get a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. It means 1 square minus sin square theta, and here you write it as it is 1 minus sin theta. Now 1 minus sin square theta is what? That is cos square theta. So we will write here cos square theta by cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Now see, 1 cos theta will get cancelled out. We will get cos theta by 1 minus sin theta, and this is our right hand side. We are able to prove it. Well, in this sum you have to prove sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. We will start it from the left hand side. First, what we have to do? First, you see, you have to prove tan theta. Means what? You have to ultimately you have to prove here sin theta by cos theta. If you are able to show that sin theta by cos theta here, it means you are able to prove that it is tan theta. So first of all, see, first we will take common. What is common in the numerator? Common is sin theta. So we get 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and here what is common? Cos theta. If you take cos theta, we get 2 cos square theta minus 1. See here, we got sin theta by cos theta, means in place of this we can write tan theta, but this is extra part, so we have to remove this part. How it can be done? Suppose I am writing this one as it is sin theta by cos theta into, see, in place of 1 I can write what? Sin square theta by cos square theta. So I am writing sin square theta plus cos square theta, and this one minus 2 sin square theta. Here 2 cos square theta we are writing as it is, and in place of 1 I will write here again sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. I am writing it tan theta into, now what is this? See, this one cos square theta left here, and sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta is minus of sin square theta. Similarly here, say 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus cos square theta, means 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta, you are getting cos square theta, and this one minus sin square theta. The cos square theta minus sin square theta gets cancelled out, you are left with tan theta, and this is your RHS. So hence it is proved. Well, in this sum you have to prove cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta is equals to 1 by tan theta plus cot theta. Well, here we have to proceed from left hand side as well as from right hand side. See, first I am proceeding from left hand side. Cosec theta means what? 1 by sin theta minus sin theta, and here 1 by cos theta minus cos theta by 1. If you take here LCM, you are getting sin theta, and here you are getting 1 minus sin square theta. Similarly here you are getting 1 minus cos square theta. Now we know 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. And 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. If you cancel out 1 cos theta and 1 sin theta from numerator and denominator, you are left with sin theta into cos theta. See, this is not in the RHS, so I have to proceed from right hand side also. Here I will copy right hand side, 1 by tan theta plus cot theta. Now see, tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is written as cos theta by sin theta. If you take the LCM, you are getting cos theta, sin theta, and here you are getting sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so we will write here 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So ultimately what we will get? We will get sin theta into cos theta. See, LHS is equals to RHS.